Welcome back to the channel, my boys and girls, man. What's good? Man. How y'all doing? I want to say thank you for the 609 subscribers. First, thank you for watching. For those that watch my videos, I appreciate that. It's nothing but a blessing to be where we at. Yes, for some it might not be a lot, y'all, but for me it's way more than enough, and we're gonna keep going, y'all, man. For real, we're gonna keep pushing and pushing and pushing with the bangers. You heard? You feel me? So with that being said, last honestly, so because man, we transforming the interior of this car at first. Um, you know, a lot of people enjoy having the interior car looking mint, so that's what we're going for. That's what she wants to do, so we're gonna go her way. Normally, you know, your boy gonna put on the wheels first and the coilovers, but this is not my car. This is my girl's car. I got it for her, so it's none of this is really my decision. I don't go in a decision. I just follow through with whatever she wants. So we're gonna do the headline, and we got a little song that I'm gonna show you when we get to the house, y'all. So stay tuned, man. If you got this far to the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, because when y'all do, man, the algorithm start acting crazy, and your boy is gonna start going, boom, getting viral. Not viral, but you know, we're gonna get more views, more liking, and YouTube gonna show a lot of more. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. I know you see me. You see me. You. Yes. You. And you. Come on. Subscribe to the channel, man. We come with a lot of bangers. We got an Audi A4. If you got a Nissan, if you got an M35, we come with a lot of bangers, man. We got way too many vehicles not to put it out there, y'all. If you leave in Florida, Tampa, whatever the case may be, man, hit your boy up. I don't know the car scene out here, man. I haven't even been to one car show. Yes, my cars are not done, but I would like to go and see, you know, the scene and see what's going on. I went ahead and took out both of these brackets. I still got to take these two. All you have to do is pry this little plastic piece down, and the other one readily comes off. Then I got this. We have the bracket that holds the whole entire piece at the top. One bolt down here, which is want to do this, yeah, don't do it. Y'all can do it if y'all want to. That's on y'all. So, all right, so we already got the glue. We already measured the material, and we got the Super 77 adhesive. So, first and first, we got to check this joint really good. Hopefully, this won't hold for a while, but everything is cleaned up, so we have to do literally just put some glue on the hip liner itself and on the material and wait till it gets tacky. That's what it says on YouTube. So we're gonna go with what them folks say. So hopefully, yeah, we can get it done. It stays on for a long time. So, and then after that, we're gonna show you the little surprise we got going on. So let's go ahead and get this done real quick. There you go, y'all. So we're done. It didn't come out to be the best. We do have a few inconsistency, like to where it wouldn't glue all the way. Excuse the mess, we got a whole bunch of boxes back there, but yeah, other than that, everything is done. At least it's not gonna be saggy at all no more. So hey, that was the reason why I was doing that in the first place. But there she is. The hardest part about all of this is really where the handles, when the grabbing things go. So pretty much that's honestly the hardest part. So yeah, good luck with that. Honestly, try to do that first, then move around to everything else. That way the material will stretching off once you do that, because that material, the one we got, it is stretchy, but it's not as stretchy as we would have honestly thought it would be. So, you know, I don't know what material you use. You may want to call some of them places that actually have that kind of material. That way they can tell you, you know, which material to use. Which also the glue as well, what glue to use. We use the 77, but honestly, it's good enough for us. So for what we got going on, so there it is. All right, y'all. So it's done. Interiors is done. So let me go ahead and show you how the car's looking. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Would you look at this, y'all? This is insane. This is crazy. And then, oh,